Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with euro-dollar pair with Din Lao. During the corrective phase, the EURUSD locally fell almost 100 bips from the 1.1000 level. This movement still fits within the tactical component of the upward cycle. In the 4-hour timeframe, the RSI indicator reflects behavior similar to the price on the trading chart. Initially, the indicator entered the overbought zone, which coincides with the price reaching the 1.1000 level. Afterward, the indicator returned to the 50-70 zone, indicating a pullback. Regarding the alligator indicator on the same time frame, the moving averages point upwards, corresponding to an upward cycle. In this situation, the corrective phase is still relevant in the market. However, if by the end of the day there is no stabilization of the price below 1.0900, it can be assumed that the correction is ending. This could lead to a potential increase in the volume of long positions and a gradual recovery of the euro. The comprehensive indicator analysis signals a correction in the short term and intraday periods. Here is Laurie Bailey with pound sterling dollar pair forecast. Let's have a look. Yesterday, the pound sterling did well, overcoming the support level of 1.2755 and the support of the MACD line on the daily chart, 1.2727. Now this line becomes resistance for the correction. After the correction, we expect the price to fall to the next target at 1.2633. A break above 27.55 with consolidation may extend the rise to 28.47. And as long as the Marlin oscillator remains on a downward trajectory, it is unlikely that the price will develop movement above 28.47. On the 4-hour chart, a weak convergence has formed. Here, the level of 1.2755 acts as a strong resistance for the correction as it approaches the MACD line. If the price breaks above the MACD line on the daily chart, 27.27, this is likely a false breakout, leading to a price drop to 1.2517. What about natural gas commodity asset? Arif Makmur describes. Although currently the natural gas commodity asset is weakening, which is indicated by its price moving harmoniously within the bearish Pitchfork channel, and its price movement moving below the EMA 20 and EMA 50. However, with the appearance of deviation pattern between the price movement and the momentum indicator, it gives an indication that in the near future there will be a strengthening correction to 2.147 level. If this level is successfully broken, then NG will continue its strengthening correction to the level of 2.268. and that would be the second target. And the third target would be 2.439. However, if on its way to the target level suddenly NG returns to its initial bias, especially if it breaks down below the level of 1.855, then all strengthening correction scenarios that have been described earlier will become invalid and cancelled by themselves. That's all for today. See you online soon.